Well, welcome back to Scarborough, and of course we're here to check out the one and only Terror Tower. Now, if you do follow us on social media, you'll know that we had a slight unlucky turn of events last time we came, where it said it was open on the website, and as it turned out, it wasn't. Well, we've very kindly been invited back today by the owner, Rudy, and a massive thank you to you as well. Really appreciate this, to come and check it out and take you guys inside. So, join us as we check out Terror Tower here on Scarborough Seafront in South Bay for the first time in quite a few years. Hello Grandma, how are you doing? Right, okay, so here we go then. And there is actually a live actor in today as well, so if you're wondering what your prices are, £8 for adults, £7 for children. Let's go. And of course, owned and operated by the same people that own the Dracula experience. Oh, this is spooky. So there's been a few changes in here already. It used to be Chucky and Co in here, now it seems like there's something different. Quite a few boo signs. Not too sure where you're supposed to go through this door here. Yep, through here. I can hear Dracula music already. The Shining, Red Room. It's quite a little bit lengthier than the Dracula experience as well. Heading into the one and only Bates Motel.
Ah, there you are. Hold on tightly to one another and proceed through this door. On the green light, of course.
It says on the green light, but there's no lights on. Then again, there's only us here anyway, I think. Norman's mum. The salt's here. It's very dark in here. Entering Elm Street now. Hello, Freddy. Love it. The good thing about these attractions are they're quite sort of quite confined as well. I remember this room being really good. Screen. I thought that might be a person.
Not like that.
Oh, he's coming. He's coming. Better get out of here. Dracula up there. Got the nun. Really well themed in here as well. Really, really well themed. It feels a little bit creeped out, but there we go. And we're heading into dinosaur territory now, I think. The T-Rex heading there. Hey. There he is. It's a great little attraction, this. Very cheesy, but good fun.
It's the governor. No reprieve. Execute him.
Oh, he's back. Oh, way up. We're getting followed. Ghostface is after us. There's a shark going past there. More stairs. Oh, he's down there again. He's getting around pretty fast, got to say. Oh dear, where is he gone? Where's he gone? Predator's found us. But I am actually genuinely quite nervous right now. Oh, way up. Got an alien. I love this. I could go round and round. It's like Halloween all over again. I think Theo's absolutely cacking his pants. Alien. Oh, hey up. Theo, come on. Come on. Go, 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 go. I think it scared him.
I'm never doing it again.
And now we have it, Terror Tower. You know what, my heart's actually going, and that is good because it takes a lot to scare me, and that actually succeeded. The guy in there is fantastic, and it's quite rare they have live actors. Obviously, they're more normally kind of peak season, but yeah, good to see them here today. And he got us quite a few times we went through. It's not kind of just like one scare. It's a case of he sort of follows you through the attraction, as you saw. Right, okay, so let's talk about the price then. Of course, it was £8 per person for adults and £7 for children. In terms of the experience, it's a good 5 or 10 minutes minimum. There's a lot to see now, there's a lot of different sets, all themed around, of course, famous horror films. And the theming in there is fantastic as well. It's really, really well done. They put a lot of detail into that. And it seems like they're also kind of keeping up with it as well, because there have been quite a few changes in there since I was last here. Is it worth coming and checking out? Absolutely. If you are down here on the seafront and it is open, do come give it a go. But yeah, fantastic to get back through. Thank you very much as well to the owner, Rudy, for allowing us to go through. And ultimately, a great visit here at Terror Tower. So there you have it. If you have enjoyed this video and you do want to see more videos like this and horror walkthroughs, all that sort of thing, we're going to be doing loads of them throughout the year. So do make sure that you do hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to avoid missing out. If you have enjoyed this video, as ever, make sure that you smash the like button to let me know. And coming up next, we have Dracula Experience over in Whitby. Really excited to get and check that out. But for now, guys, my name is Joe. This is Theme Park Insanity, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care.